You are so beautiful. We're outside of the dome. Is the Bloedel Conservatory. So you guys can see how it looks. Do you remember I had said I was going to film here? But it took me 2 weeks for my reservations to go through. But finally we did. Hello friends of YouTube. I am starting something new. This time I am doing this in English. Hopefully I get more viewers. We are here at the Queen Elizabeth Park again. This time we made it inside the dome. It's a tropical sanctuary. Supposedly they have 123 flying birds. The founder was a guy that he was originally a teacher, and he inherited his father's business that he was their luggage. And with that money he invested and he gave it to the sanctuary. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep on walking so you guys can see. Yeah, so he gave all this money to build this thing here. It's a botanical garden, so you can see. Beautiful. So this is so nice. I wish you guys could be here with me. And it's so hot. I'm wearing a jacket, a long coat. See, a long coat, and it's really hot in here. Oh, so beautiful. Look at this. So here's a macaw. Let's get a little closer here. Maybe I can see. Beautiful macaw. Don't hide. Where are you? Oh my god! Oh, I am scared of you. You're running. Oh my gosh! It's so beautiful. Oh, look at them playing. Like you can see, everyone is happy in here. Even the little mouse. Yeah. And these are the poinsettias that I was supposed to get, but I never got. They're so dead. If you see my blog, the last one I was complaining about them. Yeah. Look how beautiful she is. Maybe I should do a little thumbnail here. Yeah. It's so pretty. Look, some parrots here. Hello, Polly. Polly. They're taking care of each other. Oh my gosh, you are so beautiful. Hi, are you my friend? Yeah. So beautiful. He just flew to me here. Hi, little birdie. Hello, birdie. Hi. Hi, little birdie. Hello, are you eating? Such a beautiful little one. Yeah. So I'll go this way. There's another one there. Hi. So a beautiful day in Vancouver. Actually outside is a little rainy, but here is beautiful. Here reminds me back home in Belize. Yeah, I lived in Belize, Central America. I miss you guys. I miss Belize so much. Sometimes I get homesick. Hi. This is so beautiful. Yeah. My mother's still there. My brothers. My friends. Beautiful. Here the birds are so happy. See how they fly? They are free to fly everywhere. And the best thing is they're well taken care of. Here in Canada, people love birds, the animals. Actually, I've never seen this before in my life. They care a lot for them. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Here when they, like I said before, when they cut a tree, they plant another one. I think actually they plant more than one for every tree because not all of them grow. So it's a very good business for them also. They said here we have 500, actually 500 exotic plants. 500. And supposedly 120 free flying birds. Like this one here, they love birds. They are so beautiful. Look. I love them. I love all birds. I love animals. They're so peaceful, huh? So beautiful. There, she goes. Hi, little birdie. She left you alone. Huh? So, like you can see, it's a very small place, but I'm sweating.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, little birdie. How are you?
Hello. You're a budgie, like the one I have as a pet.
Oh. We had to wait. Actually, we had to wait 2 weeks to come here because everything was booked. Everything was booked. And don't you agree? The place is beautiful. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. The place is beautiful and I love it. Look at this. Oh, they're building nests. He's looking for little twigs.
Big one.
Oh.
And there's another really big one.
Oh, but we forgot the crayon.
That's okay.
You have to keep an eye on the grass. They have little mouse also running around and playing.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What do
there's
they
so
have?
many.
Mice?
Yeah, little ones.
No way.
Yeah, they're everywhere, everywhere. They're just running around.
Mice?
Yeah, little ones.
Did you hear that?
I saw a whole bunch of them on the
Oh
side.
my goodness. Let's,
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to keep an eye out.
Yes, they're
Because we're
so
not scared of
tame.
mice. They're so little and cute. Let's go tell and Papa.
Oh.
I forgot. Kimmy, I want to show you something.
Mice running around.
Everywhere, little ones.
Yeah, I know.
Little guy.
I've seen them. They've been here for a couple of years.
Okay, so they're just flying past us everywhere. Okay, well here they are. Tofu. Let me go see them here. Okay, that's okay. They don't need to see. The little girl will see them. And here's my husband. He's filming. Did you see the mice?
I saw them, yeah.
Look at them, they're running everywhere here.
I know, I saw them. Hello everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to Maria's channel.
What's my name?
Where are you, Maria? She's at the Bloedel She's at the Bloedel Conservatory today.
Yeah. It's beautiful. I'm sweating.
I know it's,
I have
it's warm in here.
This jacket on
Yeah.
is so hot.
It is warm in here.
Okay, I'll do one more round here and I guess it's almost over, huh?
Yep.
And you are so lazy, huh? You're the lazy one. I guess this one is an old one. Like he keeps to himself. Look how grumpy he looks. Hi. No, you're showing off, huh? Aren't you? You are showing off. Are you mad? Oh, I hope not. You're dancing. Was that the poo-poo dance? Was that the poo-poo dance, little birdie? Hi. Oh my gosh, look, he's making himself so big. Yeah, you're dancing for me. Oh, it knows the food is coming. So beautiful. You see, like I told you, they treat them so good. It's incredible. The climate in here, if you can, probably you won't be able to see, but I am sweating because it's humid. They have humidity because so that they feel just like home, you know, the humidity. And look at the bananas. Look, oh, to make some tamales. Bananas, they grow beautiful here in this. Well, it's humid and probably it's like 75 or 76 something the temperature. I'm not 100% sure, but it reminds me so much of Belize and Mexico. It's so hot. Like I had said before, I have this long coat on because outside is rainy and cold. Like everybody is dressed like that, see? So we are sweating right now. But because of the COVID, you cannot leave your coats nowhere. So you have to keep it with you. It's a little nest here. It's a seafood nest. See how many nests they have? They're like building nests everywhere because they know they're safe. That's why. Okay, friends, this is it for me. I will say bye, and please subscribe and like or comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong, please, what you don't like. I will say bye with this, and hopefully I get more subscribers. Yeah. Okay, so I say bye now. This is my channel's name is Where Are You Maria? Where, letter R and a letter U, Maria. And this is beautiful Vancouver. Look at this. This is the highest point in Vancouver. It's the highest point.